Gordon is crossed. Why does Henry need a new, bigger boiler? I'm the one who should be big and strong, because all this time that Henry was gone away, we had to do some jobs for him. This is disgraceful. But worse, Henry whistles too much. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it. Poor Henry wasn't happy anymore. Never mind, whispered Percy. I'm glad you're home, and I do like your whistles. Anyway, I better be going. And Henry, remember what I said. Later on, Henry met Edward. Hello, said Edward. You're quite splendid today. I was pleased to hear your happily whistle. Thanks, Edward, smiled Henry. But they heard a strange whistle. Shh! I think that was Gordon, but he never whistles like that before. But it was Gordon. His whistle was broken, and he didn't even see Edward and Henry going by. Well, said Edward. It wasn't wrong, chuckled Henry, but we just don't do it. And Henry told him about Gordon. Meanwhile, Gordon is screeching down all the way to the line. The noise is awful. At this station, everybody is covering their ears, and Sir Topham Hatt is covering his ears too. Take him away, said Sir Topham Hatt, and stop that noise. Gordon sadly puffed away. He wouldn't stop whistling until the fitters just fixed up the safety valve. That night, Gordon went back to his shed and glad it was over. It isn't wrong, said Henry, that he just said that to Gordon. Engines don't do that. No one mentioned whistles. Just then, Henry was pulling the express today. I feel fine, Chickadee-chop, said the coaches. Just then, Henry saw the two boys on a bridge. Peep, peep, hello. Oh! The boys didn't wave, and they didn't take the numbers on him. They thought it was fun to drop some stone on them instead. They've been broken our glass, said the coaches. The people weren't hurt, but they are very crossed. Call the police. No, leave Henry and me. What will you do? Well, can you keep it a secret? Yes. Well, as you can see, Henry is gonna blow a lot of steam at these bratty boys. Henry was holding his breath way too long. People want to see what will happen. Please close all of the windows, everyone. Henry's gonna hold his breath really too tight. Are you ready, old boyo? Whew, yes, said Henry doubtfully. So now the boys are getting ready to throw some stones at them. Okay, Henry, wait until I say so. Ready? Now! Shoo! Some lot of steam just puffed all over the boys instead. Well done, Henry, old boyo! So Henry went back home and see what will Gordon and all the boys will never be mean again.